First of all, congrats on choosing the new Smartcode Touchpad electronic deadbolt. Weiser is here to make your life safe and simple. And I'm here to show you how simple it is to install your new electronic lock on any standard door. If you're drilling a new door, use our Weiser template and door prep instructions at weiserlock.com/door prep. If you're not drilling a new door, you have to remove your old lock. All locks consist of the deadbolt and the strike. You can remove both with a Phillips head screwdriver. Now you're ready. The installation will only require 5 steps, and all of them can be completed with the same Phillips head screwdriver you used to remove your existing lock. Remember, do not use electric drills. So, let's begin. Step 1 is the latch. Install the deadbolt latch and its bolt in the unlocked position, like this, making sure the up indicator is positioned in the upward direction. If the rectangular hole is not centered in the door hole, rotate the latch face to extend the latch and allow the rectangular shape to move into place, like so. You can now attach the latch to your door by using the 2 corresponding screws. In box 1, there are 2 extra screws that are longer in case your door is a bit worn and needs extra support. Step 2 is the strike. The latch needs the strike in place to be complete. To install it, use the 2 longest screws located here in box number 2 and have them closest to the door jamb. The shorter screws belong on the other side. Step 3, the exterior. Make sure this cylinder, flat blade piece, is in a horizontal position, and make sure the cable goes underneath the latch that you just installed. And so. If you have a smaller 1.5 inch or 38 millimeter door hole, you won't need that ring around the flat blade piece, and you can recycle it. Next, you'll use the 2 long mounting screws to secure the mounting plate. The flat blade and the cable that went under the latch will also go through the mounting plate. You'll see a little spot at the bottom for them to rest, like so. Keep the plate parallel with the door edge to ensure that the top indicator is facing the top of the door. It's time to insert the key and test the latch. If it doesn't extend or retract smoothly, simply adjust the screws. Just make sure to leave the bolt in the extended or locked position to install the interior assembly. Now, rotate the turnpiece so it faces up. You'll hear a click when it's in place. Remove the cover for the interior as well. Connect the cable to the interior. Ensure it's a tight connection too. You can route any excess cable slack along the side notch and bottom of the interior. At this point, you'll see that the flat blade piece can be inserted into the turn piece to complete the interior assembly process. Like. Now, use the mounting screws to attach the interior to the mounting plate you secured earlier. Step 4 is the AA batteries. You'll need to keep the door open and the latch in the locked position while inserting the batteries. For best results, use new, non-rechargeable alkaline batteries only. Step 5, add your user code. With your batteries in place, you're ready to add your chosen user code. Now, this step is a lot easier than you might think. Start on the interior by pressing the programming button. You'll find it on the interior chassis below the battery holder. While programming, if no button is pressed for 5 seconds, the system will time out and you'll need to restart your user code programming process. So keep in mind the following. It's easy to remember anyway. To program, press 1, followed by the check mark, your chosen user code, 4 to 8 digits in length, then the check mark once again to confirm your user code. So this will signal to the bolt that it contests its retracted and extended position to learn the orientation of your door. The display will indicate if the bolt is operating properly based on a green or red response. If red, check your battery placement and interior steps one more time before trying again. If green, you're good to go. From now on, entering your user code unlocks the door. And pressing the lock button locks it. All you need to do now is snap the battery cover in place, and you're done. That's it. See the Smart Key rekeying instructions for details on rekeying. For more information, have a look at weiserlock.com.